Hey, Marie here on day 3 of my fitness challenge, Mission Core. And this one looks so pretty because actually we were outside enjoying the day, and I did my second set of core exercises while they were playing. And it was awesome. I'm sore everywhere and hurting, but I got to push through the pain. And this is my son, Noel, who was telling me something really interesting, and I'm really proud of him, and also reminds me that I really need to watch what I say and what I do because, you know, they're learning from me. And what he said was really awesome, so I want him to share it with you. What did you tell Mommy? What were you doing?
I did 100 push-ups.
And what were you doing push-ups?
To get strong.
To get strong and?
Get my core strong.
Yeah. Awesome. Do you want to be healthy? And what kind of shake you told Mommy that you want to try as a snack?
Chocolate.
And which other one? What was that one that we saw during Halloween time that you want to try?
Candy corn.
Candy corn. So we got to get the stuff to make the candy corn shake. Alrighty.